What might you be passing on to your pet? Is bald the new beautiful? And get ready to celebrate! Space Week is here on today's Daily Orbit. Hello, Orbiters. I'm Emerald Robinson. Welcome to the Daily Orbit. Get out your party hats, Space Cadets. It's time to celebrate. It's officially Space Week. Yippee! And with so much going on in space exploration, we have a lot to celebrate. Space Week runs from October 4th to October 10th, coinciding with historical space exploration dates. On October 4th, 1957, Sputnik 1 was launched. 10 years later, on October 10th, 1967, the Outer Space Treaty was signed. This week's celebrations include the grand opening of the Northrop Grumman Science Center, appearances by astronaut Dr. Leroy Chow, and other educational events. Celebrate good times. Oh, I'm sorry. I just got a little caught up in all the festivities. You can find out more on the World Space Week's website. And Curiosity is keeping the festivities going on the red planet. The rover has reached a place where it can take its first soil sample for analysis. The area, known as Rocknest, is sandy and dusty with plenty of diverse rocks and room for scooping up soil samples. Curiosity will use analytical instruments to determine whether Mars has ever had conditions favorable for life. First, the rover will grab up some soil and shake it thoroughly inside the sample processing chambers to scrub its internal surfaces of any residual Earth matter. Scientists will only observe the third sample by Curiosity's cameras, so they're sure they're only analyzing true Martian matter. JPL says that Curiosity has been so well behaved that we've made great progress. Aw, what a good little rover. And a new study suggests that a heavy intake of caffeinated coffee leads to a higher risk of developing exfoliation glaucoma. Researchers found that the risk increased in participants who drank 3 or more cups of coffee a day. Boy, I'm in trouble. They also found that Scandinavian populations had the most cases of exfoliation syndrome and glaucoma because they have the highest consumption of caffeinated coffee in the world. Soda, tea, chocolate, or decaffeinated coffee were not found to have the same effect on the eyes. Guess I'm going to have to switch my venti Americano for a venti chai tea latte. The next time you're feeling achy and sneezy, don't cuddle up to your pet because you could give them the flu. Recent research suggests that there is a possibility that humans pass on the H1N1 flu to some pets, resulting in the death of a few of these animals. There has always been concern of zoonosis, the transmission of diseases from animals to people, but there's not been much research for the reverse case. Researchers say there is still a lot more they need to learn about human to pet transmission, but they want to raise awareness. Hey man, you wish you were a little bit taller. Shave your head. Well, I don't know if you need to go that far, but a new study does show that men with bald heads are perceived nearly an inch taller and 13% stronger. The study also showed that men with shaved or bald heads rated higher in terms of power, influence, and authority to the observer. Bald is beautiful, and just a hint, men, a lot of women find bald men sexy. That's it for the Daily Orbit. Remember, go out and learn something more about space exploration in honor of Space Week.